Alright, so today I'm off to go and get a dinghy that got gifted to me by my mate Barry who runs the holiday camp just down the end of the road down here. So I'm gonna go and save it and bring it up here and hopefully drag it up and put it on the lawn. Let's go.
Got the BCF bad boys on, so got a feeling she's gonna be pretty muddy down there.
Mask on, fuck your mask on, mask on, fuck your mask on, Percocet, smiley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, 2 cups, toast out with the game, from food stamps to a whole nother domain, out the bottom, I'm a living proof, so ain't compromising, $500,000 on the coupe, drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. I'm a pink model, I can barely move. Ask about me, I'm gonna bust a move.
Alright.
Yeah, well, it's good. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, big fun. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, yeah, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, fuck your mask on, mask on, fuck your mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Guillotine, drink from melted.
Not bad for free. Give it a quick tickle up. Should be good. Well, that's the fucking plan. Yeah, what do you reckon? Yeah. My mate Vern was kind enough to give me a cruise out.
Was that
Nah, maybe at all. It's just awkward with the length, I think.
They gang, we gang, but they are not the same. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.